Create your own brilliant unicorn but, thanks to the magic of JIMU's robot. This enchanted unicorn kit has everything needed to create a buildable, codable robot or invent your own. Download the free JIMU app that has step-by-step, 3D, 360 degrees instructions. The fun is extended with the Blocks coding platform, allowing kids to build and code this legendary creature. Unicorns are real. Build, code, and share one today. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Learn to use Blockly coding to program your Unicornbot's special color sensor using 8 magical color cards. Number 2. Program the magical LED horn with different colors to customize and personalize your Unicornbot creation. Number 3. Create entirely new, custom actions with the PRP, pose, record, play, function. Number 4. No tools required. Our 3D, 360 degrees animated building instructions walk you through the steps. Number 5. Includes 440 snap-together parts, 1 color sensor, 2 smooth motion robotic servo motors, 1 DC motor, 1 LED light-up unicorn horn, 1 main control box, USB cable, and quick start guide included. Number 6. Free app. Works with both Android and Apple smart devices. A compatible iOS or Android device is required. Number 7. JIMU Robot is the award-winning interactive robotic building block system for ages 8 and up. Awards include Tilly Wig 2018 Brainchild Award, CES 2017 Innovation Awards honoree, Time to Play Magazine 2016 Holiday Most Wanted List, and IFA Awards 2015 Best of Show. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Anyone else has issues with the color sensor? Ours lights up, but it does not respond when a card is placed in front of it. Answer. The sensor light reflects off the card, and back onto itself. That's how it reads the different colors. You can try moving the card closer to the sensor but you can't block the sensor. Question number 2. My color sensor isn't working. Is there actually a light coming from the front or just the light under the sensor? Answer. There should be a small LED light on the color sensor that would emit light onto the color card put in front of it. That light would then reflect the color back into the sensor. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.